Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Smart Start. Today in this video we will learn and write story The Thirsty Crow. One hot summer, O-N-E, one hot, H-O-T, hot, summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer, one hot summer, day a crow, day, D-A-Y, day a crow, C-R-O-W, crow, B-E-C-A-M-E, became, very, V-E-R-Y, very, thirsty, thirsty. One hot summer day a crow became very thirsty. He H-E, he flew, F-L-E-W, flew in, I-N, in, search, S-E-A-R-C-H, search of water, O-F, of water, W-A-T-E-R, water. He flew in search of water. But, B-U-T, but, H-E, he, but he did, D-I-D, did not, N-O-T, not, get, G-E-T, get water, W-A-T-E-R, water, but he did not get water. He was, H-E-he, W-A-S, he was going, G-O-I-N-G, going to, T-O, to, die, D-I-E, die, for, F-O-R, for, want, W-A-N-T, want, of, O-F, of, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Oh, he was going to die for want of water. Oh, oh my God. O-H, oh my, M-Y, my God. Oh my God. I am feeling so thirsty. I am feeling, F-E-E-L-I-N-G, feeling so thirsty, S-O, so thirsty, T-H-I-R-S-T-Y, thirsty. Oh my God, I am feeling so thirsty. A-T, at last, L-A-S-T, last, at last, H-E, he, saw, S-A-W, saw, a, picture, P-I-T-C-H-E-R, picture, at last he saw a picture. He, H-E, he, A-T, at, he at once, O-N-C-E, once, flew, F-L-E-W, flew, to, T-O, to, it, I-T, it, with, W-I-T-H, with, great, G-R-E-A-T, great, delight, D-E-L-I-G-H-T, delight. He at once flew it. flew to it with great delight. The THE, the WATER, the water was, WAS was, so, 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 low, 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 that, 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 the, 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 crow, 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 could not, COULD, could, NOT, not, drink, DRINK, drink it. The water was so low that the crow could not drink it. Then, 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 the, 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 crow, 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 tried, 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 TO, break, 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 the, 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 pitcher, 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 but, 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 he, he, could not, COULD, could not, NOT, not. Then the crow tried to breathe the pitcher, but he could not. He, tried, 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 again, 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 and and again, 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 TO, overturn, 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 the, 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 pitcher, 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 but, 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 he, he, failed, FAILED, failed. He tried again and again to overturn the pitcher, but he failed. BUT, but there, THERE, but there, was, was, very, VERY, very little, 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 water, 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 at, THE, the, bottom, 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 of, THE, the, pitcher, 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 but there was very little water at the bottom of the pitcher. He, looked, LOOKED, looked around, 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 and, and, saw, SAW, some, 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 pebbles, PEBBLES, pebbles lying nearby, LYING, lying, nearby, NEARBY, nearby. He looked around and saw some pebbles laying nearby. He, TOOK, took, the, the, pebbles, 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 ONE, one, 1 by by 1 one, 1 by 1 and and dropped dropped drop them them into into the the pitcher pitcher. He took the pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pitcher. The water water reached reached the the neck neck of the pitcher pitcher. The water reached the neck of the pitcher. The crow crow drunk drunk water water to his hurts hurts content content and and flew flew away away. The crow drank water to his heart's content and flew away. necessity. Necessity. Is the mother mother of invention invention. Moral. Necessity is the mother of invention. Thanks for watching.